to go see my first casualty call with me. So let's talk about today while I'm doing my night time. PD was so hectic, which is a lot, honestly. But, oh, by the way, I'm putting the screen patients in the ward. So we had to go and write their long case and write their rounds, take their consent. So one patient is of pemphigus vulgaris who's recently diagnosed, and we're going to start him on injection rituximab. Second one we had is a secondary syphilis case who has come to ward, and he is, getting his third dose of penicillin. Now there's a wonder drug like penicillin for syphilis because my senior told me that it really cures syphilis throughout, like it kills it, which is so cool. And there's another case of pemphigus vulgaris who's also in the ward, who's awaiting her DCP. Two very cool cases in the OPD today. One case was of lichenoid photodermatitis, and one was a lichen amyloidosis, which I feel is so cool, right? Like I've never heard of these terms. Today in the OPD saw an interesting case of pigmented purpuric dermatosis. So saw two cases of that today in the OPD, and it was really interesting to diagnose. So the first patient I saw, I kind of understood what the pathophysiology of it was, and then the second patient I was able to kind of come up with a differential of that, at least. Like I wasn't sure for sure, like it's still very new to me. Yeah, so there were two patients of DPD which had come to the OPD today, and it's a different new diagnosis that I have seen for the first time, so that was really interesting. We have 2 days where we are on call, and that means that if you are on call, you're going to have to see patients that either come in the casualty because of some emergency problem, or B, go to us from other departments in this hospital. So for example, a department like medicine wants to call a dermatologist for any dermatological complaints. So they will write a call and they will request us to go see the patient and give treatment for it, at least advise treatment for it. So those are the two things that you are going to be doing when you are on call as a dermatology resident. So that was there today, and for me, so there are 2 days in a week where you are on call, and that day is also going to be your procedure day. So what is procedure day? So there are different procedures which happen in dermatology. We get to do in the first year of our residency in this hospital is procedures like skin punch biopsy, ILS injections, chemical peels, and paring and enucleation of different lesions like milia or molluscum, and gave ILS which is basically the short form for intralesional steroids. So there are a lot of conditions where we inject steroids, or we inject steroids along with other medicines inside a lesion, so as to reduce the pathology and the progression of the lesion. For example, intralesional steroids is used in alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disease where we want to basically protect the hair follicles from getting destroyed by our own immunity. So that is one of the cases where we use ILS. There is a disease called keloids, where we also give either intralesional steroids, or we give in a triple combination with steroids and 5-fluorouracil along with hyaluronidase. So we inject that into the keloid to basically flatten it and also like reduce the progression of it. So I gave ILS today. I also gave peels, and I also did paring, which is basically a procedure where you kind of reduce the thickness of a very thick keratotic skin lesion. So for example, a corn. So I did that as well, and so it was a very fun day. Apart from that, we had, as usual, morning rounds and evening rounds, where we saw the patient in the ward, and also we had peripheral calls after the evening rounds where we had to go to OBGY, and we also had to go to SICU to see a chest med patient. My seniors in this college are really helpful, and they're really sweet, and they really explain. They go out of their way to explain things, and yeah, it was fun. It was an interesting day. And today is the end of Saturday, and today's my call. I'm also on call on Sunday. So going for a morning rounds right now. It's a Sunday. Let's go.